Here is a quick and easy way to convert any currency, especially United States dollars, to Ghana Cedis. My mom and I will be breaking it down, very simple and detailed explanation for you. So be sure to stay tuned. This tip is for you. So mom is going to explain to you all how to cash out money in Ghana if you have your Momo. So mom, explain what Momo is and how we get money out from the side corner places. I mean side corner. This is like a side corner. What should I say? Side corner bank.
No, it's over there actually.
Oh, okay.
This person. In order to be able to have Momo account, you have to have Ghana card. And Ghana card is like an ID, like the ID we have in USA. Get the Ghana card and open MTN account called Momo. They give you a phone number, and that phone number also serves as your account number, Momo account number. And you have to go to star 170 hash, and then to be able to.
So that's what you enter into your phone to send the money to the person who is like a teller.
Actually,
MTN. So this person is like a broker with MTN, right?
Yes. So you already have to follow a step-by-step process. So step-by-step process, you type a hash star 170 hash and then dial, and then it will tell you if you want cash out, anything you want. You choose the step by step which one you want. So today we're going to do cash out.
So when you say, what exactly do you
when you type cash out,
okay, show me how you put in 170 on your phone, so then we can show people when they get their Ghana card what exactly this is for everyone. Everyone in Ghana uses this process when they want to send money.
And MTN will let you take a fingerprint, and then they'll take a picture of your iris. You do fingerprint, iris, and then a picture, and then your history, your date of birth, just like the way you open an account with a bank. So this is a legitimate account information. So when you come to the vendor, you type in the hash 170 hash and then send.
Dial. Okay, that's what you meant.
And then,
these are the options. Menu. This is the menu. Transfer money, Momo Pay, pay bill.
And then you choose
the
number 4.
Allow cash out, financial services, my wallet.
And then you tell the vendor your phone number, which is also your account number. And then when the vendor did do his thing in his put your phone number, and also push in account is allowed to be withdrawn, to withdraw your money. Then he counts the money, and then a prompt will come on my phone that will allow me to put in my secret passcode. So it's up to you, whichever passcode you set up in the Momo. So you set it up, and then you put in your secret passcode, and then it will allow you to withdraw any amount that you already have put into your Momo account.
Yes, your Momo account is an
like a bank account.
It's an MTN bank account where you can convert dollars into cedis.
You can transfer money from all over the world, from your account outside Ghana into your MTN account.
Yes, and then when the guy comes, when he has enough money, you will put in his phone number into...
my phone number.
I mean, when you do that, hashtag 170, then you put in...
And then I push the cash out, and then already he will get my phone number. That is also my account number. And when his cash out is allowed, then he will also do something in his phone that will allow me to collect the money from my MTN account.
Yes, so this is an easier process than going to the bank because this allows you to save money on the conversion rate from dollar to city.
Yes.
So this makes you, so instead of going to like an
ATM to use
Bank
your
or ATM,
foreign card, if you have the Momo account and you transfer money from US to your Momo account through WorldRemit, you can withdraw that amount anytime.
yes, and then
without
you
excess fees.
You save money on access fees from your actual, from if you were compared to use from a bank. So this is how the bank teller, where the bank teller is, well, I shouldn't say bank teller, MTN vendor. So we are waiting for him to come back, and when he comes back, I will show you all the rest of the process. So we're like on the side of the street here. We across from ShopRite is Oxford Street, and this is where we are. So this is Ghana Live. You know, if you want to get cities real quick, you got to do what you got to do, and then keep it moving. So I'll let you guys, show you guys more of the process when he comes back. Okay, one moment. Hi, and what's your name? MTN vendor.
My name is Alaji.
Okay. Alahaji. He's right across from ShopRite
Oxford Street
and
Mall.
Oxford Street Mall. So he's going to
Opposite ShopRite.
Opposite ShopRite.
okay, so he's going to explain to you what he does with MTN and how people use Momo in Ghana.
It's very easy. I
Easy.
always participate. People come and do deposits. It seems like it's a shortcut to bank. You have to save your money at your SIMs. You got to withdraw at any places, like any amount of money that you want to withdraw. Momo makes the money transaction very easier to people because they always take only 10% out of your money. So from 1,000 above is 10 cedi charge. So
Yes.
make everything very easy.
The bank will charge.
So I'm always here to participate.
Okay, great. So then how does this work?
055.
You're going to give her you get her
Just
number?
I'll need only her number and her to approve.
Oh, okay.
Finish.
Awesome.
So can we go?
055. And I'm going to choose allow cash out. And then it's allow cash out and allow. Yes, it's 1. And then now I'll have to wait for him to. I already gave him my phone number, which is my account,
Okay.
and I told him the amount I want to withdraw.
Okay.
So if he doesn't come here, you go to your approval.
Should I do my wallet?
Yeah.
You can go to my wallet. My wallet is
To do the approval.
to do the approval. So
Network.
network. Sometimes
I won't get this moment. Let me show you. So this is how it's going to look like when you finish the transaction, and then he's counting all the cedis.
how much is it?
3,000.
That's the transaction. Okay, guys, so you know where to find him if you need some cities in Ghana. He's here every day, all day. You know, he's working and he got the cities. Oh, no, thank you. I think I'm okay, but thank you. They look nice, but I think that I'm gonna pass. So we are going into the ShopRite. We have some grocery shopping to do. It gets a little hot in here, so this is my outfit for today. So this is ShopRite. You can see we have a lot of different stores. I think this is the, I don't know what store this is, but it looks nice. Okay, we have more stores, the Joy Fashion, and they even have an electronics store over here. This is security cameras. So they have everything here in Ghana.
Thank you for watching, and make sure you stay tuned to my next episode, fam. I'm going to be taking you along to the mall with me. This is ShopRite Mall in Oxford Streets, the main mall in Accra. And make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading this episode very soon and just show you my experience shopping and going to the grocery store in Ghana, just letting you see how much similarities it has to the United States shopping experience. So you don't want to miss it. It's going to be really exciting. Can't wait to show you. Again, thank you for watching, and make sure you stay tuned to my next episode.